Hi friends, welcome to the Pear Blossom Press YouTube channel. My name is Lynn and I'm excited to be kicking off the Light Up the Holidays collaboration hop. We're hopping both here on YouTube and as well on Instagram. So hop along in both places so that you can see all of the amazing inspiration that some members of our design team and some special guest designers are sharing. I always love to go a little bit extra with my holiday cards, and I'm inviting you to do the same. Lights are probably one of the easiest ways to make your card super special. And I want to share with you all, if you're not familiar already with the Pear Blossom Press lights, all of the various different lights that are available in the shop today. So it all started here on the left with the one light. You can get these in multi-packs. I happen to have the 5-pack here to share with you. And what you'll find on the one light is that little yellow rectangle. That's the LED light. That's where the light emits. You'll find a battery holder that you can insert the included batteries, because batteries are always included with the Pear Blossom Press lights. That way you have everything that you need to start crafting. And then there is, of course, the on-off button. Now, for most all of these lights, the light comes on when you push and hold the button down. So for as long as you're holding the button down, the light will emit, and when you release the button, that's when the light turns off. So that's how it looks like when you get it, and of course you do get the batteries included. Next up came the easy lights, and the easy lights are really awesome because not only do you get one light, but you get 3, and you can position the 3 lights wherever you would like because they are wired, and the wires are actually fairly long but not overly long. So whether you're making a mini slimline card or you're making a 6x6 or 5x7 card, you'll find plenty of length in those wires so that you can position those 3 LED lights wherever you would like on your card. The cool thing with this also is that everything is wired for you, so it makes it really easy. You don't have to think about circuitry, connecting positive to negatives, and of course, just like the one light, there is a battery holder. The batteries are included. You just insert the battery in and you're ready to go. On the little chipboard unit, there's also a button that's your on-off button, and it works just the same as the one light. While you're holding it down, all 3 lights will come on, and when you release the button, the lights will turn off. Next came the halo light, which is really cool because it's a totally different form factor. You have the halo light has a circular ring with 5 LEDs on that equally spaced along that ring, and it also, just to give you the most bang for your buck, it also includes one lights. So in this 6-pack, you're gonna get 2 halo lights. This is what it looks like here. And then 4 one lights. So pretty amazing how much value for money you get with this one, and as well the fact that you get a variety. You get 2 different sort of form factors for your lights. And just like the one light, it's all a single unit, so it's really easy to install. There's no wires that you have to position or anything. You just pick a spot, glue it down, pop the battery in, and you're good to go. So that's what the Halo Light combo pack looks like. Now, originally it came out as a 6-pack like this, but if you just want to dip your toe in, you can get at a lower price point the 3-pack, and this will still have that variety of a Halo Light and some one lights. It's just going to be half what you get in the original combo pack. So 1 Halo Light and 2 one lights. So those are options for you. Next came the twinkle lights. The twinkle lights are very, very similar to the easy light, but there are a couple of notable differences. The first difference is that it's a little bit more of a cool tone light as opposed to a warm light that is the easy light. And the biggest difference, though, is that when you push the button down, the lights will alternate on and off, as opposed to with the easy lights where they all turn on at the same time and they all turn off at the same time. So that gives you this really lovely twinkly effect to it, and the lights will blink on and off. But it does share some similarities with the easy lights in that there are 3 LEDs. It is wired, and that way you can position those lights wherever you would like on your card. And last but certainly not least, the most recent to the lineup is the candlelight. This is magical every time I play with it, because what you get with this is this happens to be a 2-pack where, unlike the previous lights that I mentioned, you can push the button and release it, and the light will stay on. The way to turn the light off is to actually blow right near where the light emits. There's actually a small microphone that will detect your breath, the sound of your breath, and that will shut the light off, just like you're blowing out a candle. How awesome. I mean, if you've never played with these before, it's really fun and magical every time. And just like all of the other lights, batteries are included. So that is the lineup of lights. Also, if you don't already have something like an action stamp set, Pear Blossom Press does have one available where you have your various different action words: push, press, pull, blow, scratch off, and as well, it comes with a little die set. This rectangular die cuts a trap door that allows you to add a little bit of a mechanism for your card recipient to actually change the battery out if it's a card that they want to keep, which for amazing light up holiday cards, I think they're going to want to keep it. So that might be something that you want to consider popping into your cart as well if you are shopping Pear Blossom Press. So that is the product lineup. Let me show you some samples of projects that you're going to see on this hub. I'm going to share with you my card and some of the cards that you'll only see on Instagram. And I also want to highlight our guest designers. All right, so this is my project that if you hop along here on YouTube, you'll see me make this. So you can get a little tutorial on how to make this shadow box that lights up with the twinkle light that is really easily accessible so that you can replace the battery if you want. So for a project like this, if you want to make this as a keepsake that can be brought out every year. It's really nice to make the battery unit so that it can be replaced. And the little kickstand makes it really easy to put on display. Plus, having the little battery holder here makes it so that you can actually press the button, have access to the button, press it, and turn it on. So this is the twinkle light. As you can see, the light is a really bright white light, and the 3 lights will blink on and off. So one of the cool things about this is that every time you press the button, it might blink in a different pattern. So that's really fun aspect of the twinkle light. So that's my project, and if you hop along to my video on this video hop, then you'll see that. And to find all of the other videos on the video hop, just expand the description box below, and there's going to be a playlist. We've all put our videos on there, so it makes it really easy for you to just put that playlist on autoplay, and then when one video ends, the next one will begin. Now, I have a really special card that Larissa sent to me. She's on our design team, and she sent it to me so that I can actually show you the card up close in this video. And there is some amazing detail on this card. It's really quite special. So imagine getting this for the holidays. Look at all of that amazing detail. Now you're going to see this card on our Instagram hop, so do pop on over to the Pear Blossom Press Instagram profile And there you're going to see our hop post with everybody's projects on Instagram, and do hop in both on both platforms to increase your chances of winning that $25 gift certificate. So Larissa's card you'll only see on Instagram, but I love that she sent it to me so that I can just really give you that close-up look at everything, plus show you how you turn the light on to make the nose glow. How adorable is that? So this is super, super cute. My guess is it's a one light, but I think it's a one light that comes from the Halo light combo pack. And what makes me think that is because these are longer, and the light relative to where the button is, it's all in line with in one straight line. So you can kind of see that does look like it will fit that spot. Whereas the one light, the original one light, you can see if the light was here, the button would be off to the right of the light. So that's my guess as to how Larissa made this amazingly adorable card. So do pop on over to Instagram, and that's where you'll find a link to Larissa's profile. If you love her projects, be sure to give her a follow. Next up, we have a card from Sylvie. She's also on the design team, but she's international, so she couldn't send me her card, but she's got this amazing reel. Look at the double light up. So how awesome is that? She used both the easy lights and the twinkle lights for this amazing card. We've got a guest designer, Cheryl, who is Artsy Island Girl, and look at this adorable snowman card that also features the twinkle lights. Super cute. And Cheryl used the Pear Blossom Press stamp set as well. We've got another guest artist who is amazing. And you can see her reel is here along with a little showcase of her holiday cards. And last but not least, we have guest designer Samine. She shared this adorable card, and it features some of the amazing Spellbinders sets. And how fun is that? Be sure to hop along on YouTube and on Instagram to see all of the other cards that are on this hop. And don't forget to expand the description box and enter for your chance to win a $25 gift certificate to shop at the Pear Blossom Press. And if you're lighting up your holiday cards this season, be sure to tag Pear Blossom Press so we can see your projects. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.